Catch the triple line setup, the high probability scalping move that hits 2 to 3 times a session for 20 to 30 pips. 1. The setup, spotting the signal. Identify the specific alignment of 3 key trend lines on the 1-minute chart. This is your go signal before the momentum shifts. 2. Execution, avoiding the trap. Learn to distinguish this pattern from the 30-second fakeouts that liquidations love. Precision entry is the difference between a win and a stop-out. 3. Profit, scaling the 1-minute exit. Execute the trade with a target of 20 to 30 pips. Once the triple lines converge, the price action typically accelerates toward your take-profit zone. Draw a chart every hour. You have the right to do so. I'll now explain the full setup to you. Look at my chart. You can see how clear it is. 3 things. Now, first, the 9-point exponential moving average. That white line here. Think of it as your trend GPS. It shows where the price wants to go in the next few candlesticks. When the price is above the 9 EMA, buyers dominate. Below it, sellers dominate. Secondly, the 21 EMA. This is the red line. This is our momentum filter. It moves slower than the 9 EMA, so it shows you the bigger picture. Now, here's the crux of the math. The gap between these two EMAs is the most favorable zone, the magnetic zone. The price is drawn back into this pocket like gravity, again and again. The third element, a support or resistance level. This is a horizontal line. Over the past hour, the price has reacted to a level that is stable or clean, but with potential for a rebound. When the gaps between these EMAs close and the price touches the support level, the situation will most likely turn in your favor. According to the chart you see and the code we will create, there are 4 rules. Keycap 1 price range, price between EMA 9 and EMA 21. Keycap 2 touching support or resistance level, candle touch support or resistance level. Keycap 3 candle closing, last candle is green. Keycap 4 RSI greater than 50. 4/4 setup logic, buying can be done safely. 3/4 setup logic. 3 divided by 4 is equal to 1 rule missing. You can evaluate which is critical and which is tolerable by looking at the missing rule. Criticality order, general trading logic. Candle close, green candle. If the candle is not green, the price is not in upward momentum, generally wait to buy. Warning sign very critical. Buying without candle confirmation is risky. RSI greater than 50. Momentum indicator. If the RSI is low, the trend is weak, buying is risky, but some traders may still buy if there is an EMA or price in pocket. Touch level, support, resistance. If the price hasn't touched the level, there is no breakout. Even if this is missing in some strategies, buying can be done if the price in pocket and EMA trend are suitable. Price in pocket. If the price is not between EMA 9 EMA 21, most traders say it is not in the middle band trend risky. But if the trend is strong, buying is still possible. Let's make a live purchase based on the scan results. Let's check ETH USDT in the scan. Is the signal candle green and between EMA 9-21? If so, let's buy. I've left a link to this Python code in the comments section. You can copy and paste it from there. Please write in the comments any topics
To support us, subscribe, turn on notifications, and like our videos.